Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Monday and had a great weekend. Well, today we're going to be working on my little panda picture, and it's from One Day Saving. Yep, One Day Saving. And we're working right over here in this color. So, yeah. So how did your weekend go? I sure hope it was a lot better than mine. Mine just kind of was happy and sad and sucked, and then it got better, and yeah, it just kind of went on like that for 4 days. Yeah, I'll be glad to go to work today. I know, it's odd but true. I'm working using my new needle minder. I love it. It's so blingy and sparkly. Oh yeah, that was a highlight of my whole weekend, was getting Stitchy Kindness and my order from 123 Stitch. It was awesome. Yeah, the tires never showed up. What can I say? So we'll see if they get here tomorrow. And hopefully I can call those people, because I tried to call the tire people, and of course nobody answered. It was the weekend. So, yeah. Unbelievable. Anything to prolong it, right? Yeah. So hopefully they'll get here. I had to borrow my daughter's car yesterday so that I could go to the grocery store, and I had to drop some stuff off at work. So yeah, that's about how my last 2 days went. So hopefully things will get straightened out this week, and tomorrow I have to go and take care of my granddaughter for about an hour and a half, possibly 2. So we'll see how that all turns out. Yep. Outrageous. Because my daughter has something else that she has to do on Tuesday. I can't remember what it was, or why she's not going to be there. Maybe it's on Wednesday. No, I don't have to watch her on Tuesday. It's on Wednesday, because my grandson has to go to a orientation thing for middle school, so he's going with the other grandpa to that. And so they'll be gone for like 2 hours, and my daughter has to go to the hospital to have her operation on Wednesday instead of Thursday. So we will see how that all transpires. But I guess she was thinking things were switched around there, and he had, what do you call it, the orientation on Tuesday instead of Wednesday. So we'll see. Hopefully we'll get through this week. I'm telling you, some days it's just a little much from both directions. Thought I'd use up this, it's 939. It's what I'm stitching with right this second. It was in the needle, so I figured, oh, why not, right? So other than that, I have no grand plans. I don't know. I just have to go along. I don't know when they'll deliver the dang tires. So we'll see. And yesterday morning I woke up. Was it yesterday? Or was it Saturday? Hell, I don't know. See, one day's kind of moving into the next. Woke up with a flat tire, so had to wait for, that must have been Saturday. Yeah, what can I say? He may have to put the, oh, what do you call it? The, what do they call them things? Donut on my car in order to get it down to where his work is, you know. So, I don't know. It's going to be a time. Going to be a time. Okay, we got through that color. What are you doing over there, Molly? She has just been outlandishly weird. Just little dumb things, you know? I swear. Let's see, I watched... What did I... Oh, I watched a movie. Part of... I think I started on... I guess I did start it on Sunday. And finished it on Sunday, because it was only in, 7 or 8 parts. And it was called Echoes. And it's one of those limited... limited series things. So... It only had like 8 parts, and then the whole thing would be over, you know. So, yeah. It was really good, really suspenseful. In the end, I think I should have watched it again, the whole thing through, because I got a little lost there in between. It's a pretty brown. I've forgotten what color that is. What is that? And it's at the end of the thing, so it's 3858. But it's kind of a rusty brown. So I just got a half of a strand of this to work on. Worked a little bit yesterday on Harriet Salt. It's kind of going kind of slow, if you will. And I don't know why. Maybe it's just the letters. They're a little entailed, shall we say? I don't know. They aren't what you'd call the easiest things to look at and cipher, because there's so much to each letter. I don't know. We're just getting there, and I had a lot on my mind, so it really wasn't helping to stitch, unfortunately. At one point, I did one part and thought I'd counted something or didn't add enough stitches or something, so I backed it all out of there, and come to find out, it was perfect. It's like, okay. Until my brain is a little scattered this week, so we'll just do a little bit at a time. The weather's been nice and cool all weekend long, so that was kind of nice and a different, refreshing change. I don't think I've had my air conditioner on for about 3 or 4 days, maybe more. I might have lost track. Who knows? Oh, come on. Get there. I just think this picture is so cute. I just love panda bears. They look all soft and cuddly, but I got this feeling that they ain't all soft and cuddly. That they could, it's like bears. Brown bears, grizzly bears, they all look soft and cuddly. But, you know, might be another whole ball game. Get down. Hang on. Okay, she has to do that every dang time. Every time. Yep, yeppers. I swear, it's like a thing. I was looking for another pink to work with, but it looks like it's kind of scattered around, so I didn't want to do that. We'll just use this one. It was one with lots of symbols, so we'll just work our way through it. Other than that, I have no plans this week. I just kind of tired this week. I don't know why. I think it's all this rainy type weather. Because it's looked like it's going to rain every day. Not that it has every single day, you know. Just looks bad. Maybe it rains during the night. I have no idea. It's so weird. So I hope it doesn't take a notion in snow, but because that would just absolutely suck. We have had snow in August here. I think, what was it, 2 years ago? Possibly 3? Yeah. That was special. But we're on the downhill slide to September already. I mean, this year is just, boom, gone, you know? I cannot believe it. And I feel like I haven't accomplished a whole hell of a lot. I mean, I've worked on some projects and others not so much. And I just wanted to make a short stitch with me today. So, because I got to be at work at 10, so kind of got to move this along. I didn't look at the weather this morning, see whether it was supposed to rain or not. We just kind of assumed that it's going to anyway, you know, no matter what. Alright guys, well, that's not too much, but thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. God bless. Keep stitching.